Okay, so we're here trying to get a stripped out hex bolt out of Logan's car so we can get that all taken care of. And we couldn't do it. We tried the method of cutting a slit in the head of the stud, treating it like it was a screw, tried a flathead screwdriver into it, and it did not work. So Logan has gone down to the Home Depot and picked up an SpeedOut kit, a SpeedOut. And so now let's watch him use this magical trick to see what happens. So we put the largest bit in there, and you can see in there that, as seen on TV, it is pulling that stripped bolt right on out. All for the low price of
$14.67.
$14.67. We're not endorsed or sponsored by SpeedOut, but thank you for inventing such a wonderful tool. Voila, we'll leave it to you. Thanks for joining.